In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay on Stripe in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to simplify the payment process for your customers who use Apple devices, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to Stripe's website. You can easily access this by typing stripe.com into your browser. Once there, look for the sign in button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and give that a click. Now, you will need to enter your login details. Input your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Make sure you type these details correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've got that sorted, click sign in to access your account. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter the code sent to your device to proceed. This step is crucial for the security of your account, so be sure to have your phone handy. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the home page. Simply click on Home, which should be easy to spot in your dashboard view. Once you're on the home page, locate the Settings option. This is where we'll make the changes necessary to enable Apple Pay. Under the Settings menu, scroll down to find Product Settings. This section includes all the configurations specific to your payment products. Within Product Settings, you'll find an option labeled Payments. Clicking on this will take you to the Payment Configuration menu. In the Payments section, look for the Payment Methods option. This is where you can manage and enable different payment options for your customers. What we want to do here is to find Apple Pay within this list. It might be easier to scroll down or use any search functionality if it's available. Now, once you've located Apple Pay in the Payment Methods list, you're going to enable it. There should be a toggle switch next to it. Click to turn it on, and just like that, Apple Pay is enabled for your account. This means that your customers can now pay using Apple Pay, streamlining their checkout process and enhancing their overall experience on your site. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up Apple Pay on your Stripe account. This can help increase conversion rates by offering a fast and secure payment option. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this setup as beneficial as many others have. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.